Good morning, friends. Study material session 47. It is about index numbers. Introduction. Index numbers or indices are the statistical devices designed to measure the relative changes in the level of a certain phenomenon. Index numbers are called as the indices. They are statistical devices. The statistical devices and mathematical devices are helpful for finding or understanding the phenomena in order to determine as well as to understand the statistical tools are required. Here, the index numbers are helpful to design for the measuring the relative changes in the level of a certain phenomenon. In the country for the economic situation, it is necessary that they have to here know about the economic situations in a particular period, particular locality. Here the phenomenons are what is the prices, what is the economic conditions, what is the retail price, what is the wholesale prices. For this, it is necessary that they have to understand about the phenomena which are required. Here they are. The indices are the specialized averages. Average means one single value has to you have to obtain that helps to describe the characteristics of the entire data. That is the averages for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Total of the 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 40, 100. 100 plus 50, 150. Total is 150 divided by 5 items are there. 150 divided by 5 it is equal to 50. 50 is called as the average. It is the one single value we have been obtained by applying the arithmetic mean. So that is called as the average by the arithmetic mean. Here the indices are specialized averages. It is not a common average. In the averages, mean, median, mode are the common averages. Popular or frequently we are using the mean, median, and mode for the many of the statistical data or further statistical algebraic expressions to solve. It is necessary that we use the mean, median, and mode. But here indices are the special averages which study the changes in prices of different commodities. The indices are the specialized designed averages. It is the tools which is helpful to know about the changes in the prices. A big challenge for the government, a big challenge for the peoples or economic experts to know about the changes in the prices. What are the changes in the prices from the past 1 year, 6 months for the A commodity, B commodity, C commodity? How we will know about it? The changes in the prices of the certain commodities and represent the same in a single figure. One conclusion has to have to arrive. Then only we can give the decision. For this, it is necessary that we have to go for the index numbers. Index numbers are called as the changes in the economic activities of the cost of living. They are also called as the economic barometers. A barometer is a tool which has been utilized to know about the pressure of the air. In the same way, here we measure that it is the index numbers are measuring the changes in the economic activities. What is the demand for the products? Why the dearness allowance has to be given? How much the dearness allowance has to be given for the employees as and when dearness allowance has been revising? how they are revising on the basis of the changes in the prices of the commodities. So this is the reason why we have to study the index numbers. The first that is the in the introduction for the index numbers. Why we have to study means it is a very necessitated concept now. Then what is the meaning which has been given for the index numbers? An index number is a number which indicates the level of a certain phenomenon. It index numbers indicates the level of a certain phenomenon at a given date in for the years from the last year to the current year, from the previous year to the current year, from the 2020 to 2021. What is the given date comparison with the level of same phenomenon, A commodity and B commodity? There should be a same phenomenon must be there. We are not comparing with the unpopularly. Here the phenomenon must be, it should be similar. If you compare the similar, we can come across what is the, whether the A commodity or B commodity are increasing in the prices. Then we will know what are the causes for the increase of the product prices. For that, here same phenomenon at standard date, last year to the current year, or last 2 years to the current year, or last 10 years to the current year. So here standard date has to be mentioned, so that it is the meaning and definition of the index numbers. Index numbers is a number which indicates the level of certain phenomenon, a date, particular year, that is the previous year to the current year, so that it is increasing, or what are the reasons for the increasing, how much we have to fix the DA for the employees. For all these decisions to be taken by the government as well as the experts of the economics, it is necessary that they have to get the data from the index numbers. Then what is why we have to give the so much of the importance for the index numbers? Here, index numbers are called economic barometers as they indicate the pulses of economy, uh, which is increasing slowly or in the fast rate growth. All this we have to know about it. How the pulses has to be you measure from the barometers. For the economic barometers, the situation in the economics, that it is the demand, supply of the products, GNP of the products, industrial products, agricultural products. Many of the areas are there. In all these areas, what is the pressure for the each and every field? It is necessary that we have to calculate, we have to get the report, and we have to submit the report, and we have to analyze the reports. With the help of for all the analyzing and taking the decisions, it is necessary that they have to go for the index numbers, pulses of economy, and tendencies in price fluctuations. Here the prices has been increasing. What are the reason for the increase in the prices? For that, we have to get the information with regard to the index numbers. They measure the pressure of economic activities of the entire country. Economic activities in the entire country, they will study about it. In studying the trends or tendencies in the level of any phenomenon, they are helpful. Whatever it may be the phenomenon which has been studied, for all the study of the phenomenons, it is the base is the index numbers. On the basis of the index numbers only, they come to the one draw the conclusions. So this the we have to increase. For this, it is necessary that index numbers are helpful. They are useful in formulating the business policies and forecasting the future events. Now we are standing here, and where we have to go. For all these things, it is we need some data. On the base here is required. That is the basis is required. From all these services, that it is the data which has been taken. On the data which has been taken, we can here formulate the policies. Policy is the guidelines for the future course of the action. The government in the situation now, as and when they are formulating the policies and they are circulating the policies, they are guiding the people how you can stay at home so that you are be safe. All these guidelines has been coming. Why means it is because of the study. So the prices fixation, the demand. If the demand is more, how we have to import the some of the materials and we have to adjust the materials. All this we have to know about it and take the right proper decision about it. For this, we have to forecast the future events from the past data which has been received by us. We can forecast the future events. They provide a good basis for comparison as they are expressed in abstract figures of measurement. It has been uh, expressed in the some ratio, some percentages. When it has been expressed in that one, we can compare with the one data with the other data. This helpful for the comparison and take the right decision. For this, what we have to do means we have to calculate the appropriate index numbers. Various types of the index numbers are there, and appropriate one we have to choose and we have to apply. Then we take the right decision. We can guide. We can pass the correct. That it is the policies. We have to pass the correct policies on the basis of the policies which has been guided by the governance. On that basis only, the activities has been going on smoothly. So they have to draw the correct policies. It is necessary that we have to take the correct data. How we will get the correct data means from the some useful as well as the appropriate tools. Index numbers are helpful for us. It provides the tools and techniques, areas in which they have to apply the tools. So the knowledge of the index numbers is required for the students as well as the people as well as the governance for giving the good governance. Government has to give the guidelines properly. People has to understand the guidelines. Then we can have the success for the index numbers as well as the policies which has been formulated on the basis of the index numbers. Comparison as they are expressed in abstract figures of measurement. They are useful not only in business but also, however, in the earlier they were used by the business peoples as well as the economical experts. But now its scope has been widespread. But also they are useful in agriculture. Now the agricultural dependents are using this one. Then employment, what the employment situation which is there, what the employment situation in the future, are all you calculate it from the index numbers. A good governance has to get the good sources. How the good sources means it is only by the index numbers. They measure the purchasing power of money, and purchasing power of the money uh, makes or it dictates the government to frame the policies. The inflation, deflation, boom, recession are all the parts of the economic situation. And in these situations, what the government has to frame the policies has been guided by the here purchasing power of the money and help in finding out the real wages. Here, what is the income of the employees? What are the salaries of the employees? What are the wages which has been paid to the employees? What are the salaries which has been paid to the employees? are all calculated with the help of the index numbers. So for all the economic activities and the business success, it is necessary that we have to know about a proper source. We have to depend upon the index numbers. Thank you. Reference quantitative methods for business, CM Chiccodi.